Hello and welcome to this bank statement sync setup tutorial. After completing this process, you'll be able to sync your bank statements with Clasero, allowing Clasero to automatically link payments to invoices with very high accuracy. Click Add, enter your bank name, and press Add again. Next, upload one of your bank statements. Important, Clasero only supports CSV format statements. Now we'll tell Clasero how to read your bank statement so it knows where to find the information needed to match payments to invoices. Date, select the column with the transaction date. Payer information, choose where the sender's details are. Invoice number, map to the payment reference or purpose field. Amount and currency, select the relevant column's unique payment identifier. Choose a unique reference from the statement to avoid duplicates. That's it. Your payment sync setup is complete. Thank you for watching this bank statement sync setup tutorial. In the next video, I'll show you how to actually sync your statements with invoices and let Clasero do the matching for you automatically.